We decided to audition for Britain's Got Talent because we wanted to show the nation what we're good at and bring back old school comedy. We felt honoured to perform at the London Palladium, where our inspirations such as Cannonball had performed.
Say hello, Chuck.
Hello, Chuck.
No, I mean say hello as in say hello to the audience.
No, I mean say hello as in say hello to the audience.
After our audition, we felt
ecstatic.
Like the wallpaper sticks to the wall.
Like the seashore clings to the sea. Like you'll never get rid of your shadow.
Chuck, you'll never get rid of me. Before we get finished, we'll make the town roar.
Oh yeah,
We'll make all the late spots and then a few more.
come on.
We'll wind up the jellies right after teach your
Life is gonna be a rewind wheel. So light, shadow, and me.
Look out, little Chucky's back.
Yeah.
Oh, I love
My favourite thing about the Britain's Got Talent experience is being on stage and making the amazing crowds laugh.
Take a good look around this audience and find yourself a beautiful lady.
There aren't any.
Have another look. What are you doing now?
I'm still looking.
Silly Chuck, you're doing it again. I mean, how can one chicken make so many stupid mistakes in one day?
I get up really early.
In 5 years' time, we'd love to see ourselves back at the London Palladium headlining. I'd get some new friends for Chuck and we'd go on tour.